Good morning everyone. Today I feel so excited. I don't know, when I woke up this morning, usually every morning when I wake up I am half dead, but this morning when I woke up I literally just got off the bed. You can see I feel as fresh as a daisy and as energetic as Red Bull. Zyada ho gaya. Okay, never mind. But the reason for this excitement is I have my maternity shoot planned today. Yoo! So my maternity photo shoot, which has been in my mind I think since the day I got pregnant, and I was like, oh my god, I have to get this done the day my baby bump becomes, you know, like it's full baby bump that I can evidently see, and I have to get this done. So I booked my maternity shoot for today and I am desperately looking forward to it. I just can't hold my excitement, and literally I woke up at 3 o'clock at night and I couldn't go back to sleep for another 2.5 hours. I think I went back to sleep around 5:30 or 6 or quarter to 6, and this excitement was just uncontrollable. Well, I have lots to do. We have our appointment scheduled for 12, like our booking is for 12 noon, and before that it's already 8:15, and like I just woke up and set up my camera and stuff, and now I have to go and take a quick shower and blow dry my hair, curl it, and for my makeup I have my beautiful friend coming over because I wanted to get a special feeling. So I called her, I said, hey, can you do my makeup today? She's like, yeah, of course, 100%. She's gonna be coming over today to do my makeup. Yes, that's one reason of the excitement, which is the major reason for today. Another thing that I would like to share, it's May the 30th and it marks the beginning of my week 35th. Oh my god, I'm almost there, guys. My due date is so close, and getting closer to the due date means getting to hold my baby in my arms very soon. This makes me very excited, but at the same point of time I get a little anxious considering the fact that I have to do it all by myself. Okay, I'm not gonna talk much now. I have to go and take a quick shower, and I'll see you guys again. Bye. Hello again. So I just took a shower and I will be getting started with curling my hair using my Dyson. I already have a full tutorial on how to curl your hair using Dyson Airwrap. I'll link it on top here, right here, and you can check that out. Let me show you guys how I look at my 35th week. Let me get closer to the mirror. That is my baby bump. Well, you'll see it in the pictures too, but yes. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair quickly, and from there I'm gonna curl it. That's how the final outcome looks like. Now it's almost 9:45. I have my friend coming around 10 o'clock, and I think we'll be leaving our place near about 11:30 because the drive is for almost 20-25 minutes, and I actually have 2 gowns, so I don't know what kind of makeup we will be doing. I have something which is red, like a red gown, and another one is beige, so we might go for something that looks, you know, kind of soft, you know, rose gold kind of eye makeup with maybe bright lips. I don't know, we haven't decided anything yet. We'll just play around and then we will take it from there. Guys, hi. Finally my friend is here. Her name is Shankavi and she does a brilliant job at I think everything that you can ask her for makeup, hair, lash extensions. I'll actually attach or, you know, mention her Instagram page down below in my description box. But yes, it's very nice of her that she came all the way especially to do my makeup and to make me feel much more special.
We're even matching.
I know. You guys are matching. Okay, so we'll take it from here. We don't have much time left. It's already 10:15 and I have to leave in an hour 15 minutes, around 11:30. So it's kind of a challenge for her to do a nice job, which I know she will.
Don't rush.
She'll kill it, and you guys can see that. Yes, let's get started. Guys, that's how the final look has come out. I am loving it. I just have to put the lipstick on, but I'll
put it once I'm there, just because I don't want to be ruining my dress and the gown. So I think
good.
I love it.
It's
I
so
love it.
beautiful.
Look at the eyes. Oh my god, such
The
a nice.
lashes.
The lash is like so dramatic. I don't think we are gonna be doing anything much with the hair because we want to keep it more natural and like with a subtle shine and glow. And I think this really does look amazing.
Look at this mama to be. She's so beautiful.
The mama. I mean, this is incredible. Let me know in the comments how you guys like the makeup, and do follow her on her Instagram.
Feedback.
And yeah, I think brilliant job. I love it.
So beautiful.
Finally, we have left very much on time, 11:36. Don't judge me, I have no lip color on. I think it's like a 15 minutes drive from here. And we have the man of the action with us now.
Hello.
How excited are you?
Very excited.
Obviously, right? I actually made him wear the first outfit, which is more like a formals, which we are gonna probably pair with my red gown. And then we have the other outfit for him, which I have, you can see it hanging there, which we have matched with my beige gown. So wait for the pictures to come out. Yo guys, we are finally here at Ivori Studios. I mean, the entrance is a little bit at the back side, so I'm gonna show you how the studio looks. Hang on. So that's the entrance door, and apparently, okay, that's the pretty lady who's gonna be helping us today. Hi, Nicole. And that's my husband, my lovely husband. You can call him Jay. And this is apparently the studio that I've chosen, with all these nice props like the moon, bathtub, and this pretty decor here. I think this photo shoot is probably gonna give me like a celebrity feel today.
You may go through the door.
Okay. Now, is that a part of Virtue, or this is another one?
Second studio.
Okay. What's the name for this one? Opulence.
Opulence.
Right? Yeah. I researched a lot about you guys. I mean, guys, you must check out their page. I will link it on my description box below. They have phenomenal work, and I mean, they are pretty affordable too when it comes down, and the services are phenomenal, like marvelous, incredible. This is the second studio that they have. The name is Opulence. I booked the other one, which is Virtue, which is this one. So with different packages, you can actually get different kind of rooms. So I think because our time slot starts at 12 noon, so I have to get changed in my dress of clothes, and then I'll catch you guys again. Hi, here's my first dress. Oh god, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. Look at all that. Come here, I just want to see how we both look together on the screen. Come. This is the first outfit. And now I think we're just gonna go there, and you'll see behind the scenes.
Okay, so we will start first with her.
Okay, sure.
Stay in the middle here. A little bit more towards me. So you will give me what is your better side? Okay. With the gentle smile. Okay. Move down to your, yeah, exactly. Just home for you. Perfect. Straight up your head. That's it. Good. Amazing. Down belly towards your belly. And now you will just try to stay straight with your shoulders, and you will do the same but in her head, like that. Okay? And close, yeah, like that. And you will do like this. So keep changing however naturally comes. Sure. Yeah. That's amazing. That was amazing. Yes, perfect. I like that. So they come here, and then you will come like this.
Okay.
And both of you will
hold the belly.
camera, hold the belly.
Okay.
Both together, hold the belly back. Yes, that's amazing. Not smiling too much. Put the chin down, love it. Lift the chin down. Look down up at the camera. Don't look at the camera, look down. Beautiful. Done?
Careful. Okay, sorry.
I want to pull more out of this. That's beautiful. Chin down. Both look at the belly.
Yeah.
You don't have to see it. You just have to pretend. Pretend it. As closer to her.
Okay.
Yeah, like.
So we are done with the first dress, and now I'm gonna change into the second outfit, and Jagraj is changing right here, and then we're gonna go and use the other props because that's beige and the background is black, so that's gonna go nicer. And here I get my other dress. Yoo-hoo!
Look at this way. Perfect. And move a little bit here from your face. That looks amazing.
We just got done with the second shoot, and I mean, it was marvelous. I really had a best time of my life. Felt like a princess in the second outfit especially, and the first one, of course. Red is always has always been my top favorite. Then we are done for the shoot today. How was your experience? Did you like it?
Love it.
Loved it? Very nice. I mean, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था पता नहीं कहाँ से मैं हुस्न की परी ज़मीन पे एक अप्सरा उतर आई है. अपनी तारीफ बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है अपने ममिया मिट्ठू. या ओके. हाय, बैक टू नॉर्मल लाइफ फ्रॉम दैट ड्रीमी लाइफ फॉर मे बी 1 आवर. घर जाके वही बर्तन धोने हैं, घर समेटना है, मेकअप उतारना है. So but I think we had a really fun time. Something that is and always going to be too memorable for us, both of us. It was such a different experience, honestly, and I have been waiting for this moment for I think I don't know for how long, but yes, finally the day was here. I hope you all loved the video, and I'm gonna be posting all the pictures now, so you can see. Now you have experienced the whole behind the scenes, and you'll see the final outcome. I hope you all loved the video and the fact that I could make a video for you guys and, you know, make you all participate in whatever I had this fun experience. And put it under the comments which one was your favorite picture, which one did you like the most, the moon or, you know, the plain background, or I don't know, whichever one you like the most. Let me know in the comments, and until then, take care, Bye. Hope you all enjoyed it. Bye.